Hey Google, turn on dining light.
2 lights on.
Alright guys, welcome back to this channel, and for today, we got another successful transaction with Washington Toys by Washington Robin, who's selling toys like diecast and figures. So guys, if you're into buying collectible items, just follow his page and check his post for his items for sale. Okay, so what we have here, this is a rotary mower, a front and rear attachment at 1:32 scale. By the way, yung nabili natin kay Sir Washington Robin, hindi to compatible sa Seiko brand natin because USK made this for Viking brand. Okay, so let's unbox this. Etong package natin came all the way from Cagayan de Oro City. Very secure yung parcel ni Sir. Nakabox talaga siya. Isa tong farm equipment guys, in line with our farm machinery. Kasi as you know, meron tayong class tractor na Seiko Ares na 1:32. Ito accessory niya to guys. Pero this one, this was made for Viking brand. Just like in the picture. Yan. Hindi siya para sa Seiko. Si Seiko, nag-release din siya ng ganito niya. Class Disco ang tawag dito. Saka si Britons. Yan. They are both sold separately. Itong USK brand na to guys, this is in combo. So, in one package, dalawa na sila. Highly detailed guys yung mga USK models. Ganda ng mga detalye nito. And it is a rare find, at least sa Philippine market. Okay. So, ang laki pala nito. By the way, pre-love lang to guys. This is not brand new. But upon inspection, yung toy, mint or near mint yung condition. Saka complete. Ayan, ito siya. Tanggalin muna natin to. Okay. So, ito siya guys. This is a Class Disco 9100C plus Class Disco 3500FC. Yan. Made by USK Scale Models. Yan. So, ito yung brand niya. Yan. Nakalagay dito, Adult Collectible Diecast. Scale Model Replica. Yan. Ito yung specs niya dito. Ito yung pang front. Tapos itong 9100C, ito yung rear rotary mower. Yan, alam ko dito sa USK models, this is made in Hong Kong. Tapos ang market nila is Europe, saka US land. Okay. Open na natin to guys. So initially, na-inspect na natin yan bayad sa pictures. So clarification again, this is not a plug and play para dun sa class natin na tractor natin na Seiko. Because this is for Viking brand. Iba yung attachment niya. Pero this is a good for display. Yan. A great piece for display. Rare to guys. Yan. Okay. So, well mint naman siya. As initial inspection, wala akong nakikitang mga putol-putol na parts. By the way, die-cast to guys. They are just some plastic parts. Maganda rin yung weight niya. May satisfaction. Yan. Yan yung likod niya. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay. Unahin natin yung pang front. Yan. This one. May parts na die-cast, may part na plastic. Yan. Ito siya guys. This is a class 3500 FC Disco. A front rotary mower. Ito tingin ko dito siya. Yan. Parehan dito. Kasi it should be attached dun sa front attachment ng tractor. Pero yung pang wicking. Yan. Mamaya natin tingnan to kasi tingin ko hindi to natin magagamit. Okay? So ayan siya guys. Merong maliit dito na pressure gauge. Ayan. Okay, so eto die-cast metal tong feel ko dito guys. Eto this one. Ayan. This is die-cast. This one is die-cast. Eto plastic. Ito, tingin ko plastic. Yan. Yan, meron din dito ang details. Yung gray na to is plastic. Yan, pero ito die-cast yung frame niya. Okay, sa ilalim, meron niyang moving part. Yan, ito yung rotary niya sa ilalim. And it should open like this. Yan, for display. Yan, for inspection. Yan, ganyan yung itsura niya guys. Okay, so let's set aside this. Dito tayo sa malaki, sa rear na rotary niya. Okay. Okay, so ito guys, this is most part is die-cast. To die-cast to. Itong pinaka-body plastic. Yan, plastic din to. Class, nakalagay class. This is a class 9100 FC Disco. Tapos may markings dito ng auto sweater. Yan. Ganda nito guys. Oh. Ito, part na to is die-cast. Yan, this one. Die-cast to guys. Ito may nakasulat na class. Ito attachment niya sa rear. Yan, plastic yung ibang part. Ito, plastic. Yan. Ganun din to, nabubuksan din to. Yan. Yan, ganyan siya. Ito, die-cast yung buong body niya na to. Tapos mga hydraulic cylinder. Okay, sa side na to, ganyan yung details niya. Tapos pagka ano to, itsura nung pag-transport niya, position niya, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Yan. Tapos yan. Yan yung itsura ng pag-transport, position siya, while etong isa attach lang to kasi nakaangat to eh. Yan. Okay, so for our tractor, ito yung class tractor na sinasabi ko sa inyo. This is made by Siku, while that one, that is a USK brand na compatible only for wicking. Okay, so dito siya ina-attach sa harap saka sa likod. Okay, so upon initial inspection, hindi talaga siya compatible guys. So let me show you bakit hindi siya compatible. But I have a feeling kasi itong attachment natin ganito itsura niya. So it may support yung eto kung papasok siya dito. But I think it's not. Tingnan natin itong attachment cage niya. Yan. Palagi ko hindi rin talaga guys. Pero para dito siya dapat. Yan. Ganyan ang itsura niya supposedly. Ito, ini-insert to dito eh. Yan. Okay. Yan. We have 0 possibilities as of now. Siguro pwede to gagawa natin ng modifications, guys. Yan, ganyan itsura niya supposedly. And do sa back. Yan. Zero possibility rin tayo na hindi siya natin may co-connect. Ito supposedly dito siya. Yan. Pero pwede rin natin itong gawa ng modification, guys, kung gusto natin may attach natin. Pero sa display lang na purposes, panalong-panalo na to dito. Ang ganda ng detalye niya, guys. Yan. That should be like that. Yan. Ganyan yung tsura niya, guys. Okay, so ang details nito versus dun sa nirelease ni Siku and Britens, yung USK model talagang highly detailed among them. Tapos very limited din yung numbers of production yan, guys, kaya masasabi ko this is a rare find. So thank you kay Sir Washington Luz for selling me this product. So that's much of it. If you like more of this diecast product review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So I'll see you for the upcoming video, and goodbye.